Welcome student, this is our third lecture of first chapter, that is environment. Our subject is environmental studies, course code is 22447. In the first lecture we have seen definition of environment, that is the surrounding around us. It includes social and cultural conditions. Then next one is scope of environment and segments of environment. There are four segments of environment: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere, it is the virtual ocean of air. Hydrosphere, the surface of earth filled with water. Lithosphere, that is the outer shell of the earth composed of crust and rigid outermost mantle. Biosphere, it is the space on earth where life exists. Then we have seen a need of the environmental studies, then objectives of environmental studies like awareness, knowledge, attitude, skill, participation, importance of environmental studies. Then in second part of lecture, we have seen some environmental issues like global warming, greenhouse effect, then climate change, causes of climate change, then effects of climate change, acid rain, what are the causes of acid rain and effects of acid rain. Now in this lecture, we are going to see another environmental issue, that is ozone depletion and nuclear accidents and holocaust. Now see what is ozone depletion. Now let us start with ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is major environmental problem because it increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation, that is UV radiation, that reaches Earth's surface, which increase rate of skin cancer, eye cataracts and genetic and immune system damage. See the diagram. The layer above the troposphere is called as stratosphere, in which a separate layer has been formed at the height between 15 to 30 km from sea level. It is called as ozonosphere. Ozone, O3, it is a gas which has the capacity to absorb large proportion of UV rays, and so biosphere has been developed on land surface and in the water bodies. The UV radiation is very toxic to the organic matter. The layer of ozone is getting depleted due to emission of gases through the industries, mainly cooling industries. Now, what are the causes of ozone depletion? The main cause of ozone depletion is formation of chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC, HCFCs, halogens. These are the substances that deplete ozone layer. Effects of ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion causes increased UV radiation level at Earth's surface, which damage to human health, damage the plants. It also affects the natural environment like climate change. Negative effects include increase in certain types of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. Now, how to protect ozone layer? There are some ways to protect ozone layer. These are: avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to ozone layer like CFC. Then minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban bicycle or walking. Do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and also to us. Then buy local product. In this way, you not only get fresh product, but you avoid consuming food that has traveled long distances. And last one is maintain air conditioner, as their manufacturers cause CFC to escape into the atmosphere. Now next environmental issue is Nuclear accidents or Holocaust. During the life cycle of nuclear fuel accident, it occurs in any stage. It might be due to leakage, nuclear war, nuclear weapons, or nuclear reactions. Nuclear fission is a nuclear reaction in which the nucleus of an atom split into smaller parts, producing free neutrons, gamma rays, and releasing large amount of heat. Examples of some nuclear accidents. First, now let us see some example of nuclear accident. Chernobyl, an area of 1 lakh square meter, is uninhabitable for 20,000 years forever. The Chernobyl accident in 1986, 26th April, was the result of a flawed reactor design that was operated with inadequately trained personnel. The resulting stream explosion and fires release at least 5% of the radioactive reactor core into the environment, with deposition of radioactive material in many parts of Europe. Consequences of Chernobyl nuclear accident is 4,000 civilian death is immediate death, and more than 2 lakh cancer deaths are there. Second nuclear accident is 3 Mile Island disaster. This is the picture of 3 Mile Island disaster. In March 28, 1979 in USA, fuel rods were damaged, leaking radioactive material. Consequences of this disaster are 40,000 gallons of radioactive wastewater directly into river. Then second is total cleanup cost of $1 billion. Third nuclear disaster is Fukushima accident in Japan. It causes nuclear accident on 11th March 2011. All three cores largely melted in the first 3 days. The four reactors were written off due to damage in the accident. After 2 weeks, the three reactors were stable with water addition, and by July, they were being cooled with recycled water from new treatment plants. So student, today we have learned about ozone depletion, that is causes, effects and how to protect ozone layer. And second is nuclear accidents or Holocaust, that is Chernobyl disaster or nuclear accident, 3 Mile Island disaster, Fukushima nuclear disaster. Now in next lecture we are going to see 4R, concept of 4R, that is waste management strategy. Thank you.